Your company produces a huge volume of documents every day. The information they contain is the cornerstone of your success. Each document is tied to different processes. Documents are created, forwarded, checked, stored, and above all, looked for time and again. This takes a lot of your time and resources, which is why it is worth taking the time to look at these processes in more detail and optimize them. And this is where the Document Management System, DMS, comes into play. DMS is the main component of Enterprise Content Management, also known as ECM. Improve your service for customers and partners with a DMS and save a lot of time and money. Let's look at a business process in more detail. For example, selling a product. From the product request and potential queries through to placing the order and creating the invoice, this process involves a range of documents in both paper and electronic format. The current offer can be stored as an Excel or Word file on the local computer or on a server. Email correspondence with your customer is stored on the Exchange or Notes server. The order is filed in paper format in the folder, and the invoice is saved in the accounting program. When a customer calls, you need to collect all these documents from their different storage locations. And if a paper document is with a colleague at that moment and the colleague is not there, the process comes to a halt. With this system, your company cannot respond quickly enough, and it has a negative impact on customer relations. Companies that use a document management system have a clear advantage here. The DMS manages all the documents that accumulate in your daily business and files them correctly in an electronic file cabinet, and every authorized employee has access to these documents from their own workstation. By searching for predefined index words or running a full-text search across all documents, you can have an overview of the whole process within a matter of seconds. In the results list, all documents are displayed clearly and can be opened at the click of a mouse, whether they are in paper format, email, Word file, fax, or even an image or video file. With this system, you can respond to queries in a matter of seconds. You save time, and your customers and partners will be happy. But a DMS can do more than this. It will also help you to optimize your internal business processes, or what is commonly called workflows. Let's look at the process of invoice approval, for example. Without DMS, all documents are forwarded by hand and stay in an employee's possession until they are processed, even when a colleague is out of the office. If this person later establishes that they are not responsible for the document, they send the invoice back and the process starts all over again. With a DMS, nothing in the actual invoice approval procedure basically changes. However, invoices ready for approval are not forwarded in paper format but electronically, which means they remain stored in the electronic file cabinet. The cost center manager can check the invoice from any workstation, that is, even when on the road, and approve it with a digital stamp. During this time, all authorized employees can access the document and the status of the process is clearly visible at all times. This ensures that documents can be tracked, won't get lost, and because of the fast turnaround, you can easily keep to discount periods. But I'm sure you're wondering how all your documents get to the electronic file cabinet. Depending on the document type, the digitalization process is either partly or fully automated and therefore extremely simple. Paper-based documents, for example invoices, letters, or older printouts, are scanned. After scanning, index terms are assigned to each document. Many keywords can be automatically extracted during the scanning process. Modern document management systems can also be integrated directly in the software products of numerous other developers. For documents already in electronic format, for example PDF, CAD, or Word files, all you need to do is drag and drop them into the DMS file cabinet or use a special printer driver. In this procedure, you can either provide the keywords for subsequent quick searches yourself or use automated mechanisms, for example for an outgoing invoice, that extract specific keywords directly from the document. Emails are automatically stored directly from your email program and indexed with keywords such as sender, recipient, and subject. By linking this to your contact database, the full name and company of the recipient can be retrieved automatically. As you can see, a DMS can be integrated in any infrastructure and adapted to any company structure. The processes and workflows within the company remain the same. They just run electronically, without laborious processes or long waiting times. Documents are collected, sorted, and permanently filed in a digital document pool. Here again are the key benefits of a DMS at a glance. All your documents are kept in a central document pool, and you can access them at any time, regardless of the file format, date, or author of a document, and thanks to web access, even regardless of where you are at the time. After the full or semi-automated storage, you can search the file cabinets very quickly and thoroughly. In addition, you boost your efficiency with workflows that optimize your processes and guarantee transparency. You save space, protect your documents from fire or water damage, and can access them quickly and easily for years to come. Thereby, a DMS also helps you to comply with legal retention periods. These are strong arguments for a DMS. I can honestly say, this really is something you want.